Joint non-government voluntary organization Jngvo has voiced strong opposition to any proposals to revoke Kakching district status, emphasizing its significance and ongoing developments since its establishment on December 8 of 2016. Advisor P. Somorendra highlighted that Kakching was long overdue for district status and has begun to demonstrate its benefit to the local population. Speaking to media at Library and Information Center in Kakching, Somorendra noted that construction of post office building with staff quarters approved by Ministry of Communication on July 21 of 2017 has been completed and is now operational. He stressed that infrastructure development is progressing with various initiatives underway to address departmental shortages. Jngvo has officially communicated its stance against rolling back the district status through a letter sent on October 4 to the Union Home Minister, Manipur's Chief Minister, and Chief Secretary. The organization urged that Kakching should not be included in the upcoming tripartite talks scheduled for November 15. Somorendra warned that if there is any attempt to revoke the district status, the residents would be compelled to launch intense agitations to protect their interests.
Kangum khuding na nungsing minaduna nungsana na laminariba Kakching district ase hana Kakching subdivision lejaramedagi Kakching district oirekhebani akogi revenue area da jurisdiction da sayenaba amata leitabani appeal tawjaribidi kanaguma kangum amatana akoi puni himgene bayai multi ethnic leibayaba punna leiminaba Kakching district ni adubu Kakching district asegi revenue area manungda atopa district ki signboard sesenba masimatang di gyan taminaraga lepiu Bharat Sarkar ki census operations da Kakching district revenue area manungda lerba village kunimak mafam kudimak Kakching district na pangthong nabagi sab saba cs ang lerebani phibam amatada Kakching district roll back to bayaroi masigi onatani bada aikona tanjari ba aikona thamjari ba hamsigi onatani bada tawrak labadi akoi mafam matam yengani district asigi miyam punamak tanaraga kariguma kongjang akan makhara sanglak pa yabagi torok pa yabagi sem saduna laminasi